I'm at Excellence Oyster Bay, and this is the Junior Suite with Plunge Pool. As you can see, here everything is automated for lights and air conditioning. This is the bathroom, toilet, nice walk-in shower with a big rain shower head. And over here we have the walk-in closet. Very nice size. Towels for the beach, robes, and a safe. And come over here, the rooms are very large. The king-size bed and a TV. And there are doors you can close for privacy. Over here we have our in-room liquor, mini bar, snacks and mix and drinks. And we have another TV, desk area. There's a nice big couch, rocking chair, and then this massive jacuzzi. There's blinds for privacy. And then we walk out onto the big deck. Nice double lounger, some chairs. Here's a look back at the jacuzzi. Nice area here for lounging. And this is the view. It's private. Plunge pool, which is a good size. And that's the room tour.